is looking to put this one into the history books.
That's point for Yale.
Carolina finally pushed one through Sterling. Brown Sterling!
Did you see that?
Here comes a spike straight to the man!
The man! The legend!
His teammates help him to his feet. No! They race him heavenward!
G
G
O
O
O
O
G
G
L
L
E
E
Gulu gulu